What happens when a luxury SUV becomes a full monster on the road? Meet the 2027 Mercedes AMG G63 Inferno by TopCar Design, a brutal custom variant of the legendary. From its massive body kit to its roaring V8 engine, the Inferno takes the normal G Wagon to another level. The first thing you notice is the aggressive wide body design. TopCar completely transformed the look of the G63 with carbon fiber parts all around the SUV. The front end looks extremely brutal with a redesigned bumper, larger air intakes, and an aggressive grille. The custom hood gives the SUV a muscular look, while the LED headlights keep the classic G-Class style alive. On the side, you get hog fender flares, massive wheels, and sporty size skids that makes the SUV looks wider and lower. At the back, the Inferno features a custom rear bumper, sporty diffuser, and a redesigned spare wheel cover made from carbon fiber. This is not just a luxury SUV anymore. It looks like a street monster built for billionaires. Inside the cabin, the 2027 G63 Inferno feels like a private jet on wheels. You get premium leather, Alcantara carbon fiber trim, and custom stitching everywhere. TopCar also adds unique interior details that make this SUV feel ultra exclusive. The giant digital screens, ambient lighting, and luxury seats make everywhere drive feel special. Mercedes also keeps the latest technology features, including large touchscreen infotainment system, premium surround sound system, digital driver display, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto heated and ventilated seat, advanced driver assistance features. The cabin is both sporty and luxurious at the same time. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the G63 Inferno still carries the powerful AMG twin turbo V8 engine. You can expect around 577 horsepower or even more depending on the tuning package. The SUV can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4 seconds, which is crazy for such a large luxury SUV. Thanks to the AMG performance system and all-wheel drive setup, the Inferno delivers a strong acceleration and powerful road presence. And of course, the exhaust sound is absolutely insane. This SUV doesn't just look aggressive, it sounds aggressive too. Driving experience. Driving the Inferno feels like controlling a luxury tank with supercar power. The high seating positions gives you a commanding view of the road, while the suspension keeps the ride smooth and comfortable. At the same time, the powerful engine and sporty tuning make the SUV feel fast and exciting. Whether you are driving in the city or arriving at a luxury event, this G-Class grabs attention everywhere. Price. The standard AMG G63 is already very expensive in the United States, but with the full TopCar Inferno package, the price could easily go above $300,000 depending on customizations. That makes it one of the best and most exclusive luxury SUVs on the market. So what do you think about the 2027 Mercedes AMG G63 Inferno by TopCar Design? Would you choose this brutal custom G Wagon over a Lamborghini Urus or a Rolls-Royce? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insane car content from around the world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.